Just picked up the next project. It's a no-start Honda, but he said he replaced a couple things. But I think the battery's shot, so he didn't want to mess with it. And I'll end up getting a better deal. These things are pretty much big tanks, and it's an older Honda. I had a newer Honda that never had an issue besides the battery, so if I had to replace the CDI box plus a battery, I think I'm still okay. But this is it. Nice little knobby tires. I'm gonna give her a little paint. So this is my next project. Not too shabby. So more will be coming on this. So this is what we got. Those parts are fixed. Had a good gouge right here. Broken spot here. Fix this broken spot here. This was cracked right here. So gotta fix that up. Oh, and this right here is all broken. It's all cracked right here, big time. So that kind of just made it look a little bit better, because this was all broken right here. So I just kind of fiberglass that. Kind of like the way this is. So that's what that was. There was a spot down here broken. It was all cracked around. So I ended up redoing that. But did some spots in primer already. But yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on. Hopefully we can spray it within the next day or so. But yep. So we got it all in primer. What I'm gonna paint anyways. Keep in mind it's just a 4-wheeler. So it ain't gonna be super perfect. I'm gonna go through the woods with it. But we got the old bomber. Gonna keep it nice and warm in here. Hopefully I get at least one base down without it going crazy on me. It is kind of like 10 degrees today, so I'm gonna go with that. Alrighty. Like a chrome silver. That's one of the colors I'm doing. So the next idea, I got this grate. I'm gonna put some good designs on it. This blue. Chrome blue. This stuff actually works really well. Comes out nice. I've used it before. But we're gonna throw this down and see what happens. But we screw up, I guess, oh well, it's just a 4-wheeler. So that's what we're going to be using, some 2K clear. This stuff works pretty good. But it's warmed up in here. The plastic's not as cold. It's just right. It's pretty bright on camera, this blue. So we're going to get to doing this clear here in a second. Coats down. I think that looks all right. Cool. Now we just got to put it back together. Alrighty, that's pretty much the show. Thank you for watching and God bless.